This is my first opportunity to give a daddy speech. Now, Tommy, you have a wife, our firstborn Lauren. You, my friend, are in for a life that will never be born.
So I wanted to tell a story about how I originally met Lauren at Tasty, and I'd write her notes every day and bring her coffee.
If you only knew my plans, oh, if you only knew who I am.
So one day I wrote her a note, and I said, I scraped my knee falling for you, can you send me a Band-Aid? And it turns out that I got the Band-Aid here, and it says, hope this is big enough to fix the hole, but I don't need it anymore because you caught me before I fell. And then I wrote you another note that said, do you like me? And I put squares that say yes, no, and maybe. And she just put a smiley face, and I didn't know what that meant. So now my closing vow is, I'm wondering if you still like me. Yes, no, or maybe.
Yes.
And if you could fill, no smiley face, because I was confused. I love you.
Make you wanna be where I am.
Tommy, today's the day you told me about at Tasty Lunch over 2 years ago, and I denied. Well, your persistence has paid off. I'm so glad that I finally opened my eyes to what was right in front of me. Today, I promise to be your partner in the adventure we're about to embark on, to love you with all my heart through every up and down and crazy turn along the way, to laugh often and always at your not-so-funny jokes and the big kid you are at heart. I promise to always have plenty of peanut butter and eggs on hand to make endless amounts of PB&J fried egg open toasts. I love you, Thomas Martin.
By the power vested in me by the Church and the State of Illinois, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Tommy, you may now kiss your bride.
Here's to Lauren and Tommy. Happiness forever. Dilly dilly. Dilly dilly.